Yeah, today is the 15th of April. I'm just playing with my notcher. Got the top cover off. This is the business end where all the pivot points are. And you've got little oil ports. There's one there. I got my give and weigh oil out and lubing everything. There's some more back here. Nice thing, when the oil just kind of sets there, the port's not plugged. It's still got tight tolerances. That's a good thing. Oil in the main cam down there. Again, it has a port on the end down here. There is no Zerk fitting. And there also is no way to get it to maintain oil level. I might do something different there. I'd like to be able to inject some grease in it with regularity. And I cleaned up my gauge blocks. Here's what I do on my machine tools and such to keep them from surface rusting or flash rusting. Wax. Real simple. Wax is soaking on these right now. And I'll flip them and do the underside after I wipe the top sides off. And getting some activity in the garden. Got a whole row of radish. And I got some squash popping out. Nothing there yet. So, got more over there. Ain't seeing nothing on the watermelon yet. So, just never know. And I planted some sunflower seed over here, and I'm starting to see a couple of them pop out too. That's all good. Can't really do any spraying today either. It's going to rain. It was spitting rain this morning. Might have to replant my damn watermelon. I ain't seeing nothing happening, and they should have popped by now. There's that damn 15 inches of rain. Like some of my seed could have got washed away. Yeah, today I'll spend cleaning and such. I went by an asphalt plant that probably has 50 to 100,000 yards of asphalt millings, and they will not sell to the public. They only sell to paving contractors. So, looked around. I can get 2 by 3 inch crushed concrete, including the fines, for $25 a yard, and they swear up and down a yard of 2 and 3 inch crushed concrete equates to, $25 a ton. And they're saying 1 ton is 2.5 yards. I don't hardly believe that, but I got to call in the owner to give me a call. That product would be just fine. Again, I just want to put something on this lot to help control erosion. And the problem is the chip seal gravel I got for free years ago. In a hard rain, it'll float. You know, and it migrates all where it's not supposed to be and won't stay where it's supposed to be. Which is why I'm getting some decent erosion up here in this lot. All things are fixable. It's going to take better than 100 yards. Could be more. It's going to take a lot. And they don't haul, but I got a dump trailer. Did lots and lots of trips. They're local here in town, so I could do, as long as they got the material, I could easily do 5 trips a day and not work myself slap to death. It's just driving, no big deal. Truck will be just fine. So, got a plan. I just mowed my yard up here. With all this dang rain, it's gonna need mowing pretty quick. Just mowed it. But I can already see it growing again. I think I mowed it 3 days ago. Hasn't been long. Got a hold of my electrician buddy, and he liked my thought. I put a receptacle. This bandsaw is 3-phase. I put a twist lock receptacle down here in this area, and then put on a 4-prong twist lock cord. My machine will be about where that chair is, so I have plenty of cord, I have plenty of clearance. I gotta clean my lathe up. I used it the other day, make those double thick washers, actually triple thick. And I found some material locally. I don't need 20 damn foot stick. It's just 3/8 by 2 flat bar with straight edges, not rounded edges. Also found an attachment to go on my drill press. More on that when it shows up. So, staying busy. I'm going to clean this building today. It is a royal mess. Got a gallon of paint. All I needed was a quart, but I got a gallon of Ford Blue to paint my notching machine when I get done with all the repairs and evaluation, etc. And then make it look all pretty. And I don't even need a quart. I need like a pint. But this damn pandemic economy is still in full force, and could have gone to Amazon. I really want to buy local whenever I can, and so I have, you know, damn near a full gallon of Ford Blue when I get done. So some of my other stuff down here in my building could be Ford Blue sooner or later. And that's the color I got. The table here could use a coat of paint, but that's just, you know, piddling crap. You know, there's nothing critical to the operation, just making stuff look pretty. Anyway, that's all for this one. Thank you.